Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about a wonderful forum which Chitrakoota has provided us. We call it as Passion. I am Aarti. I work here as a teacher and this year I have been chosen as the president of Passion. Passion is one such arena where we all teachers gather and give talks. It helps us to train the teachers on public speaking skills. We teachers share our thoughts and views about various incidents which has happened in our life, maybe it professional or it may be personal. Passion is that forum which trains we teachers to refine our skills on public speaking. In the recently conducted Passion Alumni in the month of July, Mrs. Shrija Kulkarni has bagged the first position in one of the competitions called Talk to Convince. Over to Shrija.
Namaste, I am Shrija Kulkarni and I am Science and Spoken English teacher in Chitrakoota School. Recently, the Passion Alumni Meet was held and I was privileged to win first place in Talk to Convince. I would like to share the talk with you all. I would like to share a small story about two friends. They were so-called best friends. One of them, Sheetal, who was timid and an introvert, while the other was Suman, who was bold and dominating. Suman's intention was to put down Sheetal on every other situation. This not only brought down Sheetal's self-confidence, but she started feeling inferior to every person she met. Well, this is my story as Sheetal. Suman's company did not only make me uncomfortable, but I started feeling myself that I cannot speak well, I cannot stand in front of the people, or I can't dress well. This kept me worrying for so many years, and I finally realized at the age of 16 that there is something wrong with me. Why am I not so confident as my other friends? Why am I not able to speak to people? When I shared my worries with my father, he once said that one must be away from the situation or the person who tries to bring down our self-confidence or who dent our personality. Keeping that in mind, I started ignoring your comments and thoughts and focused myself on the things which kept me active and I could learn many things. Doing so, I regained my confidence and also I am able to talk in front of many people. The positivity which I gained during that time did not only help me to come out of my cocoon, but also I am able to speak in front of many people. I am able to take up new tasks and do it confidently. One such thing is, for me, being a science teacher who was a not so good English speaker, I took the interest of learning how to speak English and now I'm taking the spoken English classes in the school. Now, with the help of my husband, friends and colleagues, I am able to take all the things positively. Thank you for listening.